Okay, what are we doing right now? We are being electricians.
I guess we're just preparing some wires right now, getting some soldering done, and well, as you can see, we made a diagram of
And they're all neatly tied.
where we want these things going, and this is going to be our schematic of the board.
It looks very not exciting, but they're just kind of rough.
Right now,
just
anyways.
kind of roughly where the houses will be, so we can kind of figure out how to do the wiring.
Yay!
Roughly.
Where did I
So that'll be
put
cool.
those?
And the soldering iron, can't talk, is over here. And it's not plugged in. So it's a good thing it's not plugged in, or it would be burning the floor.
And here are the LEDs that we will be using to
Yes.
light up each house. It's not very exciting right now,
They
but
kind of look like squids.
yeah.
We're soldering. Okay, we're soldering right now. Fun, and Shane's trying to do it by himself. I'm gonna take it back.
All right, come help me.
Okay. It's very hard to see anything, but
Whatever. So we'll get the other one and the other one.
burn my hand, please. Don't burn my hand.
Trying to keep your fingers away from the thing, then maybe.
Wait.
Okay. All right, that was good. Perfect. That's actually how it should be done, but for some strange reason that would feel epically. You can lift it now.
Huzzah.
Hooray. Okay, first one done.
Beautiful.
First one done.
Ah.
Okay, so next, grab another wire and...
We're still soldering.
Oh my goodness.
It's taking a long time.
What time is it right now?
It's like 11.
Oh my goodness. So what, 2 hours now almost?
We burned this wood because we're smart, and we left the solder on the wood, thinking that the wood wouldn't burn. But yeah, it's on right now. Can you see the heat? I don't think you can see the heat waves.
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it in the camera?
Oh,
Okay, anyway, the battery's gonna die soon, which is not good. We soldered all of this. Whatever, I don't care.
Okay.
We soldered all of this, which is great. And yeah, all these solar panels and stuff.
Yeah.
So that was fun, and now we're soldering some street lights because
Yeah, these
street
things
lights. Yeah.
are awesome.